Hearing wind noise in your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 recordings? This usually happens when recording outdoors in windy conditions or without proper microphone settings. Don't worry, it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you how to remove wind noise on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So, let's get started. First, turn on your camera. Now swipe left from the right side of the screen. Make sure to select Pro option here. Then tap on the microphone icon to open the audio settings. Here you will see an option for wind noise reduction. Tap to turn it on. This feature analyzes the audio signal in real time and intelligently filters out the low frequency noise caused by wind. So, that's how you can remove wind noise on your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3. If you found this video helpful, if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.